All right. US 30 is moving slowly right now, but it's going to take off. I believe it's going to take off at the bell. So give me a second. I'm looking at EJ on levels and I already marked everything up. So my chart is fully marked on levels. So I am, EJ has pierced the top of the box. How many times now? One, two. Yeah, it hit the 2 times, baby. It hit the 2 times. EJ has pierced the top of the box twice already. So I'm really looking for EJ to take off for this buy in the buy momentum. And the currency strength is 67 over 27. All right. So it almost met my 40 points by 1 point. Okay. It's at 39. It's 39 points higher right now. So I'm looking for EJ to stay in this momentum. If it opens and closes above the Monday box, which right now is open, but it hasn't closed yet. So I got, based on a 15-minute chart, I have 14 minutes because the 15-minute chart candle just formed. But if this stays a green candle, EJ is definitely a good one to buy today, simply because the currency strength is perfect and the direction of travel is pretty much set, unless it decides it's going to pull back for whatever reason back into the box. But right now, it looks really good all the way up through the day chart for EJ. So I'm going to keep monitoring that one, and I really want to give that one to you guys as your currency pair today, again, simply because levels has it looking very good. Several of them levels look good today, to be honest with you, but that one looks good. Euro CAD looks amazing on there as well. It's 40 plus points spread in between currency pairs. So yeah, I'll keep my eyes on EJ as well as the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is looking real good to continue in a, let me look at that real quick. I believe it's going to continue in a sell trajectory. Yeah, it looks good to possibly push down a little bit further this morning and then bounce and push up. So looking to sell US 30 possibly at the bell. I'm still looking to see if my, what time is it? 9:17. I'm looking to see the candles that I like to see line up for that specific move if they are in alignment with my theory. So there you have it for now. Let me see, one, two, and three. So yeah, we may buy at the bell. It's possibility we may buy at the bell. It's in between support and resistance for me. For US 30 is sitting in between support and resistance. So it very well could buy back up to resistance and then sell back down to my support. And I'm looking at that again. On levels, I have it marked. So where it sits now is below the 50%, right? And that's one of my main reasons for saying I believe it's going to sell. It's sitting below the 50 percentile. If it stays below the 50 percentile, which right now I'm on the 15-minute chart on levels, if that sucker stays below the 50 percentile, then I'm looking for it to sell all the way down to the bottom of the box, right? And that's what we look for. That's why we mark this thing up the way we do. We look for these moves to happen in the market, and we base it off of Monday box strategy and M5. So things are looking real good. It's starting to sell right now. Man, I couldn't even spoke that one real good. And NAS, lastly, NAS is I have NAS doing the same thing, selling down to the bottom of the Monday box. It is straddling the 50 percentile on the 4 hour chart, but on the 15-minute chart, boo boo, we already had three candles form up under that 50%. I don't know how many more I'm gonna need, but that looks good to moi on NAS. Looking for it to sell down at the bell. So I am definitely preparing to give you guys a NAS sale or a US 30 sale this morning, as well as an EJ buy. So that's what I'll be looking at for you guys today. And then I'll drop a compound sometime throughout the morning. But I'm going to let things settle down a little bit before I drop that. Back to you, Ellen. Yeah. Wow. What's that?
There you go. The good content is high momentum. So breaks out at the bottom of the box.
5 minutes to the bell.
The bank have come in for the sale. So always, always, always look at the 1 minute chart. Okay? Look at the 1 minute. And then look at